Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to the channel. Today, we're going to do a quick review of this Rust-Oleum high heat barbecue grill spray paint. This is supposed to be a tough protective enamel to renew your barbecue grill, wood stoves, and more. In this case, as you can see, grill is starting to rust. The cover had a little hole in it, so rainwater and everything kind of leaked through. So I'm going to go ahead and try to repaint this grill using the high heat. The high heat is a paint that's supposed to withstand a lot of high temperatures and not damage the grill or the paint. You won't have to keep putting protective coatings on it. So this side is okay, but it still needs a little bit of resurfacing as well. So I'm going to go over here just showing you little bits and pieces of the grill. And this is how everything is so far. I bought this online, but you can also find it at Walmart, Ace Hardware, Home Depot, Menards, things like that. They also have it in a high gloss, but I just got the regular because my grill really wasn't high gloss when I bought it. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and let you know. Here is the safety reviews on the back of what you should or shouldn't do. Pretty much zoom in right there so you can see it. And Rust-Oleum is a pretty good spray paint brand, so let's go ahead and take it off and see how everything works. Okay, so I removed the top and just kind of testing it out a little bit. Looking at the surfaces, as you can see, that's where pretty much all the rust was. Everything else in the grill is okay, but as you see, as I spray it a little bit, cover that rust up a little bit. It's also quick drying. I'm doing it outside in a portion of the backyard where I don't have to worry about covering anything up. If I was to do it on my deck right here, then I would probably put some cardboard and newspaper, but it's highly recommended that you definitely keep your safety stuff, glasses, newspaper, cardboard, whatever you use. But as we spray, cover that rust up right here, and even in these spots right here, as you see, covering it right up, and you see how quick it dries. See that? A buddy of mine actually told me about this, and so I ordered it, and this grill looks just as new as the day he bought it. So just want to try to get it back to where it was. So just kind of looking at the finish, gets it back black almost like it was. Just the grill is just dirty and rusted out. Let's go over it again. I'm not a painter, but it shouldn't take that much skill just to resurface a grill, especially only doing it in certain spots. This is also a hybrid grill, half gas, half charcoal. So I definitely want to keep it as long as possible. Paid over $300 for this grill. So letting it dry. As you can see, most of the rust is going away. It's not visible anymore. Cover that up. And I even have some rust down here. So we're going to give you the live action video. See, you don't even see the rust anymore. I actually used some CLR before. I actually tried to spray paint it, but the rust did not come out. It was already weather beaten. But as you see, go over it very gently, very lightly. Gets all the rust spots off. I also spray painted right here. Also, when I get it's time to dry, go over the screws again. So as you see, this is the review of the high heat. So far it's working, and I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay, I come back to the side right here. Even if you're actually putting the color back in, even the spots I scrub kind of hard trying to get the rust off. So we're going to try these little spots right here. This is the side where you can put your grill, plates, forks, knives, all that stuff. So like I said, I tried to clean it, but it wouldn't come out. I use CLR. So we're just going to go over it, protect it best way we can. See, already it's not even noticeable. Give it a chance to dry. Okay, so I did the side right here. As you see, it's still drying. I'm gonna let it completely dry, and then you can also see if it needs another coat. But for these spots, I should only need one can, depending on how rusted your grill are. So, all right, guys, seemed like it works to me, and only for $4. You can't beat it. So this is the review of the high heat Rust-Oleum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll put a link in the description below just so you can check out where to get it from. Thanks for watching.